Hello everybody and welcome to chapter 2. We're going to start building our first project, which is going to be a classic cookie pop-up that you get on every website and you're like, stop it. Well, at least ours is going to be quite nice and fancy looking. So let me refresh and show you what we're going to build. So there we go. We have this nice pop-up, boom, and we have a nice cookie animation going there. So let me refresh that again for you to see. Now, again, the video that you're currently seeing is running on 30 FPS. So when you're going to build it out, it's going to look much nicer and much smoother. So I know this is going to be, unfortunately, all the videos are going to be 30 FPS. So always going to look nicer on your end. Okay, now the course files and everything. So if you want to have access to the finished one, are going to be linked on this video somewhere down here. Just go below the video, should be attached, or next to this video should be a finished files and starter files as well. Now I'm going to show you how I got this cookie set up, and we're going to set actually everything up from scratch. So, but if you already want the cookie included, you're going to have that as well. Okay, let's get going. See you in the next video.